In this module, we are going to talk about flows of migrants in Asia and comparing its statistics with other continents. According to the World Economic Forum 2020, there is an extensive mispresentation about international migrants, more specifically in Europe and North America. The United States, Germany, and Saudi Arabia are categorized as top destinations of international migrants. The majority of international migrants in Asia and Africa move within their parent regions. So, this report of World Economic Forum is giving an explanation that how it is misperceived that international migrants are going only towards Europe or Americas. Cross border movement is quite normal in Africa. Historically, the United States has been ranked at the top for international migrations. According to the World Migration Report of 2020, United States had approximately 51 million international migrants in 2019. It is also happening because of that America has been propagated that it is the ultimate destination for human beings for better prospects of life, for better entertainment of life. Germany and Saudi Arabia ranked second and third, respectively, with approximately 13 million international migrants in 2019. India, Mexico, and China are at the top in the list of countries with the largest number of migrants who moved abroad in 2019. More than 40% of international migrants belong to Asia, with India alone the origin of 17.5 million. As I earlier mentioned, that owing to the large number of population in India, people are forced or they are incapable that they can live in India and earn better prospects of life. So they decided they have to move from one place to another, especially to the United States. They want to earn better prospects of life. So the largest number after China, Indian population started migrating to other countries. If you could see this slide, that how this flow of migrants in Asia is happening. In the left side of the slide gives explanation about resident migrants, and right side is giving the details of migrants abroad of different countries.